Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some happy mail to share with you. This is my Fruit of the Spirit pocket letter swap that I have been doing with Lisa. She is A Worthy Life on Instagram. I'll have that link down below. If you've seen any of the other swaps that I've received from her, she is an awesome artist and she loves watercolor. And today the one that she sent me for this month was Kindness, and she used a lot of watercolor paper and watercolor flowers, and she did a lot of really cool lettering and things like that. So this is the pocket letter here, and I will put the link for all the other ones, the ones I've made and the ones she's sent me. I think I have a playlist of pocket letters. This one is Kindness, and she included this tag that she made with watercolor paper, and she just painted a flower and wrote kindness and this beautiful calligraphy. And then all of the pockets were made with watercolor paper, and she painted flowers of different kinds, roses and like daisies. I think she stamped this one down here, but then she wrote different verses on them. This one says, "Put on a heart of compassion and kindness," and that's Colossians 3:12. And then over here it says, "But kindness and truth will be to those who devise good," Proverbs 14:22. And then over here it says, "Continue in his kindness," Romans 11:22. And then here it just says kindness, Galatians 5:22. So in this here it says Romans 2:4, "The kindness of God will lead you to repentance." And then down below, Proverbs 31:26, "Kindness is on her tongue." Over here is 2 Corinthians 6:16, "In purity, in knowledge, in patience, and in kindness." So here she stamped another rose and drew some roses with watercolor. I think it's so beautiful. And then she put some washi tape along the edge here. And if we look over onto the other side, here's where she put all the fun goodies. Up here she added some trim, some pink trim. She also has the cards painted on the back too. Up here, I think this is a little letter. It says hello, and she put this fun heart paper clip on it, and that's just a little letter. Oh, she put some quotes in a little note, so I'll read that in a bit here. Over here's some more trim, and there's that really pretty card there. This is some pink ruffle trim. She gave me some rhinestone little embellishments there, some glass beads and some pearl trim. Down here she added some green tea, and then she stamped some of these really pretty roses here. Oops. So she stamped a bunch of those for me. That'll be fun to color. And then here are some die cuts. So there's some flowers, a trophy, and then a bunch of, looks like illustrated faith die cuts maybe. And they have verses on the back of them. That's cool. So those are awesome. I'll be able to use those in my Bible journaling. And then she also included this little handmade envelope, and she does some amazing artwork. So this is a mixed media print of something that she made, and it says, "He restores my soul, hope and grace." And I'll read you what this is about. So this is her, she's a visual faith coach, and so she sent me the card there. It's visualfaithministries.org if you wanted to check that out. I will put that link in the description too. She painted this really pretty thank you card on some watercolor paper. And then I'll read this because this explains this card. It says, Hope Grace. Please meet Hope Grace, a faceless girl, yet she is not really faceless, as she at any moment can represent you, me, or someone we know. Like me in my current season of life, she needs her soul restored as she fights to walk in hope and rest in the truth of God's grace, that God's grace is sufficient. And so then she gave some ideas of what to do with this, with the print. She says you can clip it on a clothesline like a banner with a binder clip or a paper clip or a little clothespin, and then you can frame it, or you can journal with it, use it as a project life card or a tip-in, or you can scrapbook it. So I just thought that was so beautiful. So I hope you like this happy mail that I've shared with you. Go ahead and check Lisa out over on Instagram. Follow her. You will see all the beautiful things that she is working on. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.